The James Webb Telescope has released its sharpest image yet of Proxima B, revealing incredible details about a potentially habitable exoplanet. Join us on a journey through space to uncover the secrets of Proxima B and find out if it could be the next Earth. It's time to hit the road. In the vast expanse of space, in the habitable zone of the star Proxima Centauri, you'll find a mysterious planet. And this is no ordinary rock. It's Mira's cousin Proxima Centauri b, located 4.2 light-years away. This planet is full of wonders and secrets. Could this be another Earth with abundant life and oceans? Wait, that's not all. Proxima Centauri b's journey around a red dwarf is not unique. The super-Earth Proxima Centauri c has a companion, a fellow traveler, and who knows what else the star system has. Perhaps another companion we have yet to discover. The mystery doesn't end there. Proxima Centauri b receives about the same amount of energy from its star as our Sun. Could this mean that there is water or even life on its surface? As we travel past our own planetary group, we discover a whole other universe of exoplanets, planets that orbit stars other than our Sun. With 200 billion stars in the universe, the potential consequences of exoplanets are enormous. It seems as if they are floating through space on their own, and some even escape from their stars. But among them, Proxima Centauri b stands out as a truly amazing and enigmatic planet. 1 year lasts only 112 Earth days, and because it is 20 times closer to its star than Earth, one side of the planet is likely to always be lit by sunlight, while the other side is always dark. Let's talk about the star that Proxima b orbits, Proxima Centauri. Proxima Centauri is important in the triple star state of Alpha Centauri, which includes Rigel Centauri, also known as Centauri A, and Ptolemy or Centauri b together. These stars form the closest star system to our special group of planets. The two stars Rigel Centauri and Ptolemy form a double star known as Alpha Centauri N and B. With a maximum magnitude of -0.27, this G-type and K-type star is the third brightest star in the night sky and appears as a single star in the constellation Centauri. The red dwarf M Proxima Centauri, also known as Alpha Centauri c, is 4.2 light-years away from the other two stars. In fact, it is the closest star to us. In fact, the Latin name Proxima Centauri means the nearest star to Centauri. It was discovered in 1915 by Scottish cosmologist Robert Innes. Although it is our closest stellar neighbor, its apparent magnitude is 11.13, well below the human upper limit of 6.5, so it cannot be seen with the naked eye. But don't let that fool you. Proxima Centauri is a star worth considering for now. Small red stars like Proxima Centauri are among the most prolific when it comes to energy production. They may not produce much energy, but the internal convection process in their center keeps them sparkling for trillions of years. In fact, Proxima Centauri will remain the main star of the group for another 4 trillion years. On the other hand, the habitability of red dwarfs like Proxima Centauri is still a matter of debate. For one thing, it is a flare star, which means it is highly variable and unpredictable. However, Proxima Centauri b is in the acceptable range, as it is bombarded by radiation from a star that is several times brighter than what our Sun experiences. The radiation is so intense that it destroys even the smallest molecules, such as nitrogen and oxygen, as well as hydrogen. Furthermore, Proxima b may be missing the intelligent environment that would be fundamental to managing its environment and maintaining a surface suitable for water. Without it, life as we know it would be nearly incomprehensible. The habitability of Proxima b remains a mystery, but the search for the truth continues. The James Webb Telescope, launched in 2018, is helping to determine whether Proxima b harbors life. Harvard theoretical physicist Avi Loeb says that if a planet like Proxima b can remit light from its star in infrared light, then Proxima b could absorb that light too. Images of the planet's surface can be obtained by the James Webb Telescope, which was built to study infrared light. He looks for patterns that could indicate water or an atmosphere. But whether or not Proxima b has a climate, it might be like Venus. It's dense and cold. According to Ed Turner, an astrophysicist at Princeton University, the presence of air doesn't guarantee life. The extreme heat and pressure might make life impossible on Proxima b. Despite these difficulties, the James Webb Telescope is a guarantee. Exploring Proxima b using solar sails is one of the most exciting options. These ultra-thin sails can accelerate spacecraft to the Alpha Centauri system, and at an estimated speed of 10 to 20% of the speed of light, we could reach Proxima B in just 20 years. The discovery of Proxima B has rekindled humanity's interest in space exploration. It has convinced us that we are in good company in the universe. The James Webb Telescope, equipped with cutting-edge innovations, is unlocking the mysteries of the universe one by one with each discovery, reminding us of the revelation of the possibility of life on other planets like Proxima B. Now let's talk about Proxima Centauri, the star that Proxima B orbits. Proxima Centauri is important to the Alpha Centauri triple star system. Rigel Centauri, also known as Centauri A, and Ptolemy, also known as Centauri B, are part of this system. The closest star system to our solar system is formed when these stars come together. The two stars Rigel Centauri and Ptolemy form a parallel line known as Alpha Centauri N and B. This G and K-type star appears as one star in the constellation Centaurus, and is the third brightest star in our night sky with a peak magnitude of less than 0.27. Proxima Centauri, also known as Alpha Centauri C, is a red dwarf or M-type star located 0.21 light-years away from the other two stars, which is about 13,000 times the distance between the Sun and Earth. In fact, it is the closest star to us. In fact, the Latin name Proxima Centauri means nearest star to Centauri. It was discovered in 1915 by Scottish astronomer Robert Innes. Although it is our closest celestial neighbor, it cannot be seen with the naked eye. The apparent magnitude of 11.13 is well above the human limit of 6.5. But don't let that fool you. Proxima Centauri is a star worth considering for now. Small red stars like Proxima Centauri are among the most prolific when it comes to energy production. They may not produce much energy, but the internal convection process in their center keeps them glowing for trillions of years. In fact, Proxima Centauri will remain the founding star of the group for the next 4 trillion years. On the other hand, the habitability of red dwarfs like Proxima Centauri is still a matter of debate. First of all, it is a flare star, which means it is very variable and unpredictable. The acceptable range for a low-mass star is closer to the Sun than the Sun, and is expected to be in the range of 0.023 to 0.054 AU. However, it is not as habitable as it looks. It may look like a promising planet, but don't be fooled by its appearance. It is undoubtedly as separated from its star as we are from the Sun, but that is not all. The star Proxima B emits extremely intense ultraviolet radiation that is hundreds of times stronger than what we receive from our beloved Sun. Believe it or not, it is so amazing that it destroys not only nitrogen and oxygen, but even the lightest hydrogen atoms. But that is not all. The ability of a planet to support life does not depend on how far away it is from its star. Proxima B likely lacks the intelligent environment necessary to manage its environment and maintain a surface suitable for water. Without it, living organisms would be defenseless against the dangerous space climate, making life almost unimaginable. So while Proxima B may look like Earth on the surface, it cannot help life. People are not sure. There are many factors that make this unacceptable, but some believe that the journey to uncover the truth about Proxima B is continuing. One of the instruments that has caught the attention of stargazers is the James Webb Telescope. After several delays, the telescope was finally launched in 2021 and will help determine whether there is life on Proxima B. Science is not as simple as it seems. Numerous adjustments were expected to ensure that the James Webb Telescope could provide accurate images. Avi Loeb, a virtual physicist at Harvard, understands that if a planet like Proxima B can absorb the star's light, it could also produce it as infrared light. The James Webb Telescope is specifically designed to detect infrared light. By photographing this light from the outer layers of the planet, we can find patterns that can tell us if the planet has water or an environment. But what if the planet's atmosphere is hostile to life? Ed Turner, an astrophysicist at Princeton University, warns that it has a climate. Proxima B could be similar to Venus, with an environment several times denser than Earth and an intensity that makes it impossible to imagine life. There are obstacles to exploring the mysteries of Proxima B. The James Webb Telescope comes with a warranty, but there are many variables to consider. Astronomers are struggling to find ways to observe planets like Proxima B as the cost rises. The rewards far outweigh the risks. Astronomers are willing to take the risk to peer into the unknown and uncover the secrets of distant planets that could potentially harbor life. We are heading to Proxima B. Let's say there's a heart on an exoplanet. When will we go there? It is the closest exoplanet to us, and it is very exciting because it is almost like finding our own large terrace. The fact that it is almost the same size as Earth and is in the habitable zone suggests that it could have conditions that could support life as we know it. Proxima B's proximity makes it an ideal target for the search for life beyond Earth. Plus, because it is nearby, to put it mildly, it is an incredible contender for interstellar missions. Stop for a moment and think about the possibilities of exploring this world as an exoplanet. Although we can't travel there right now, it is definitely on our radar for upcoming missions as the technology becomes more accessible. This is probably one of the most exciting efforts in space exploration. However, getting there is not easy. It will take Voyager 2 and other spacecraft 75,000 years to reach the Proxima Centauri system. That may be the case, but a solar-based sail has been proposed as an answer. This ultra-thin sail could be used to accelerate the shuttle to the nearby Alpha Centauri system and Proxima B. This innovation solves the fuel shortage problem by using the heliocentric transformation to keep the spacecraft on course. Also, the journey to the Alpha Centauri system can be completed in 20 years at 10 to 20% faster than the speed of light. The discovery of Proxima B has rekindled humanity's interest in space exploration. Now we have new hope that we are not alone in the universe. The James Webb Telescope is a modern technological marvel that can take us back to the beginning of the universe 13.7 billion years ago. This is a closely guarded secret. The time it takes for light to reach us from an object increases with distance. This means that the James Webb Telescope can see objects in the universe that are farther away than any previous telescope. Furthermore, it can detect these objects at longer wavelengths of infrared light. This means that it can see more stars farther away and with much greater clarity than before. And you know what's even cooler? This amazing breakthrough could shed light on the possibility of life on other planets like Proxima B. As with anything amazing, there are some limitations. For example, just because there is air doesn't mean there is life. Proxima B